Welcome back. The Indian rupee has got a new symbol, but computers do not have it installed. Have a look at how you can get the rupee symbol installed on your computer for free. You need not wait for the symbol to come on the keyboard. Just observe and try it out yourself.
Installing the rupee symbol is very easy. First type the path blog.foredian.com in the Explorer bar. After entering this path, the site's page will open. On top of the page, you will find Rupee font version 2.0. Below this, the message "Click here to download" will be displayed. After clicking on this, a message box "Save" will appear. Save the file on the desktop. Go to your desktop where you will find the saved file Rupee Foredian. Right-click on the file and select Cut. Thereafter, go to My Computer and C drive. Once in C drive, find the Windows folder. Click on this folder. Once you enter the Windows folder, find the Fonts folder and click on it. Then, right-click in the empty space and select the Paste option. The Rupee font is now installed. Now, whenever you want to use the font, just type the first key above the Tab key on the keyboard. Select the typed key that appears on the screen in your Word document. Go to the font option and select Rupee Foredian. And presto, the glorious Rupee font is finally visible on your screen. In case you have not understood, there is also a video available on YouTube that explains the step-by-step procedure of doing it. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
BJP has strongly demanded increasing the reservation for other backward classes from 19.5% to 27%. Party says this reservation was not passed despite introduction in the State Assembly.
The BJP on Sunday inaugurated its OBC cell. The cell was inaugurated by North Goa MP Shripad Naik, BJP State President Lakshmikant Parsekar and other BJP MLAs and party members. Shripad Naik said, "Progress of the Bahujan Samaj is required to take the democracy forward." Fatorda MLA Damu Naik mentioned how the government denied seats to the deserving OBC students by not increasing the OBC quota from 19.5 to 27%.
आता 19.5% आम्ही म्हटला की 27% आम्ही लागला आहे सुप्रीम कोर्टाने डायरेक्टिव्ह दिल्या सुप्रीम कोर्टाने निघाला केला असं एएमएसच्या केसी की 27% रिझर्वेशन दिवपाक जाय म्हणून हे मुद्दाम धरला आता त्याचे 19.5% रावल्यानंतर 7.5% जर वाढले हाजो अर्थ 1035 80 आमच्या ओबीसीच्या भुरग्यांक एंट्री मेळटली बरोबर न्ही कडी पण तुम्ही आमच्या 80 भुरग्यांक भायर दवरला.
State BJP President Lakshmikant Parsekar stated that the BJP is trying to reach out to the OBC class in Goa. Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Sushant Pal.
The dumping of heavy garbage around the Dabuli airport area is posing a bird threat to the air traffic. Kortali MLA Mervyn Godino has raised a concern over the garbage spilling in the area. He says a modern garbage treatment plant is a must to tackle the garbage menace of the port town.
Mervyn Godino held a meeting with different committees concerned with the garbage issues in Bogmalo recently. He said he has asked the government for land at Verna for a modern garbage treatment plant. Mervyn informed the garbage which is piled up at Mormugaon has spilled over and is seeping down into the sea. This can pollute the sea and nearby beaches.
Sea will be the medium where it will go, the rivers will be the medium. Something has to be done urgently, which simply means even for Mormugaon at the moment, the dump, what they are thinking that they are having, does not exist.
He also expressed concern over the dumping of garbage in the vicinity of Daboli airport. He says the activity might invite an untoward incident.
We come in the funneling zone, not exactly the funneling zone, a zone in the no-fly zone where you cannot have birds flying in the vicinity of the flight path where the plane lands and in and around that, because we don't want a plane to come down with hundreds of passengers and have that tragedy happening here with a bird hit.
Rear Admiral of Foga, Sudhir Pillai, said they have an environment committee which periodically studies the issues like garbage. This is essential for the safety of air operations.
Bird hits are never totally unavoidable. Our effort would be to minimize it, especially this being a fishing harbour and such other things. So managing the garbage, managing the bird hazard has to be a very proactive strategy, and we can't just wait for an accident to happen and then start taking. So,
Our reporter in Wasco, Surendra Madkekar.
An Institute of Hotel Management, on its completion of 10 years, has inaugurated a conference hall in the institute. The institute feels this convention hall will help in exchanging the views and ideas among students and experts.
Snehalata Memorial Conference Hall was inaugurated by former principal of MES College, Dr. Harish Chandra Nagvekar. Dinkar Yadav from All India Radio, chairman of an Institute of Hotel Management, Anand Rao Nagvekar, and other students of the institute were present at the inaugural function.
Sharing of thought takes place only when we have a conference hall. In the classroom, we basically cannot have a sharing of thought. In the classroom, it's only the lectures are given. In the practical department, practicals are conducted. But in the case of a conference hall, experts, when they come, they give ideas, they give opinion. And at this time, the students get a lot of knowledge. And today I have succeeded in creating this conference hall for all my students.
An institute has successfully completed 10 years. Our reporter from Porvorim, Shamsundar Fatti.
Let's take a short break here. We'll be right back.